This 2024 Alliance RV Paradigm 380 megapixels is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wills Point, Texas, 75169 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Canton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.